everyone, how are you? I hope that you are also fit and fine. Okay, now I stay my village. I visited for this Lalkura forest. As you can see, it's my little brother, uh, my visitor. Okay, I I try it my spoken English basic level or practice. Okay, basically I try it my spoken English level improvement day by day. Another video or motivational speaker. I follow it. I mention it. This person, Dalchandra Barmon and Jihadul Islam and
Hi.
my little brother. Hi. Okay, thanks for this wishing. Basically I try it this side area, explain it. As you can see, uh, there are more trees or trees. My uh, my past time or childhood times spending this playing this game, this field. Okay,